This is why I got evolutions, potion, maintenance, Poliwhirl, Growlithe, Machop, and Nidoran pointing out Drowsy, and then Oil Machop, and then Doug Trio. So, not really much. So we got out of the tin. Not really much, but we'll take it. We still got these three bad boys to open. Maybe we'll get some out of them. So I'm hoping for fingers crossed. There we go. Let's see, this is the Charmander tin, some type of small little tin. It's got 2 booster packs, a coin and a card, Pokemon card with the art on it. Let's see, these nice little tins, cool little tins here. And then let's see, it's art. It's a little card. It's like a puzzle. It's supposed to be like a puzzle. It's got a little thing you can read on the back. Pretty cool, I guess. It's a little coin there. Little coin. Was that Diamond Palkia won them? Coin. Packs out. Evolutions and Burning Shadows. That's what those are. This one, the Squirtle one. It's a Squirtle one. Similar to the other one. Type Squirtle. So I'm assuming it's like a puzzle. Yeah, probably a puzzle or something. Same coin. Burning Shadows and Evolutions. Let's try to get some out of those. Nice little tin. And then this one is probably the same thing except Ivysaur. Ivysaur. Type of puzzle. I think it's like 5. I'll get the other 2. Get them all or something. Nice little tin. Same coin. Time for these. Guess we'll do it in order. So we get something out of them. Burning Shadows. Throw that energy inside. Lead to the front. See, Dusclops, Noctowl, City Sage, Sneasel, Horsey, Long Grimer, Beware. So, yeah. Nothing. Oh well. Still got a few more to go. Let's get a Charizard out of these. Charizard. Just throw it away. I don't remember. Oh well, forget it. Electabuzz, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Onix, Magikarp, Trainee, Electrode, Fuel Hall, Porygon, Trainer. Nothing. Energy. Let's see what we get. All-Pit, Seadra, Pomeranian, Magikarp, Rattata, Wimpod. Not much. Fuck. Oh well. Still always left. Diglett, Caterpie, Poliwag, Pikachu, Ponyta, Growlithe, Carter Cake, Squat. Squat. Not squat. Not shit. One, two, three. Oh wait, this via energy. Please be something. Seesaw, quality, foregone, category, Inkay. Not shit. Damn it. Oh well. Still got one more. Let's see if we can get some out of this.
Phone just died.
Mine?
Yep. But you weren't